Hi everyone, my name is Jessica Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Woo! It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a while since I uploaded, but I cut my hair. I like it. I'm so happy. I love the look. I was actually right now listening to some Bad Bunny, and that dude does something to me. When I listen to his music, you just can't stop but not shake it, you know? But hi, my name is Jessica Marie. Welcome back to my channel. This is your first time being here, and if you're returning, hi again. Hello. I want to start uploading again, so this is my first video in like, I don't know, a month or two. I don't know how, it's been like a month. It's been more than a month, I think. But if you guys like, today I'm doing the no makeup but you have makeup on makeup look. It's like, oh, like a little bit. I use the Fenty blushes. I use a Colourpop. I use Kylie Cosmetics, KYBROW. Great. I've used a whole bunch of things. I've used mostly affordable things and some not so affordable things. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you guys can, please like and subscribe. And let's get into the video. Bye guys. So first I'm gonna be putting on my Colourpop Hyaluronic Acid Pre-Fresh Primer. I'm gonna put it on my face first because I want to make sure I'm doing this hydrating skin for the no makeup, but there's still something there. How have you guys been doing? It's really weird to do this again. I didn't think I was gonna do it, honestly. It's hard to be happy in film when there's so much going on in the world, and I feel bad for filming. So first I'm gonna start with my brows. I'm really not gonna fill them in that much. All I'm gonna do is fill them in very little. I got this brush in my, it's this brush that comes in with the Benefit Cosmetics like eyebrow duo or something like that. And honestly, I love this brush. It's so thin. I'm not sure you can see it, but I love it. So, and I'm going to be going with my Kylie Jenner Kohl Brown Brow Powder Duo. This is so, I love it. I love it. It's really nice. Really nice. And I'm just going to go in very low. I applied my eyebrow gel, but that doesn't work for me, honestly. See, it's just a little bit more. And I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, this one. And I'm just gonna fill in the sparse areas. Cause honestly, this is like a no makeup look, and I just want to do a little something, you know. I want to go a little bit extra. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So I have a lot of breakout right here and more towards in my jawline. I don't know why. So I usually don't break out on my face, only sometimes right here or here, but my most trouble area is here. And since this is a no makeup look, I'm not really gonna go hard in covering it up. I'm gonna be taking this concealer. It's the e.l.f. Cosmetics Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna be just spot concealing those areas. So try not to do a lot. A lot comes on this. I'm getting a little breakout right there. Right there, right there, right there. And just right here. Just to do a little something. This is actually what I use under my eyes. And I'm just going to let that sit for a little bit. Because I want to make sure everything goes good right there. You know? So for my eyes, honestly, I really don't do anything. I just want mascara. So we're going to start doing that. Because we want to make sure that the concealer dries a little bit. And I'm just going to go in and curl my eyelashes. And apply mascara. So I'm going to blend out my concealer. I'm just going to honestly tap it out. Blend it down. And next, I'm going to be taking my Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer in the shade 90W. Let me just take it out. This one. This is great. I've had this since November, I want to say, and it's such a great product. I love it. Here it goes. There we go. And I'm going to be using a brush to blend it out because I want as much coverage as possible. When you're applying this, you want to go in with a very dense brush. I'm going to start applying my Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer by Colourpop, and I'm going to apply it this way. So, okay, if you look at my face, this side is slimmer. It looks, this side's my good side, that's what I say. But this side, you can see when I smile a lot, like when I smile, this side's smaller than this side. So this side's chubbier, that's what I'm trying to say. But oh my god, I hate that. So a good thing to do is when applying your concealer, you go like this. Just focus it and don't go too much. And then right here, you just go a little bit. Like I said, it's a quick, easy. It's taking me a way longer than doing that, but this is supposed to be a quick and easy, like makeup. Like you have makeup, but you don't really have makeup. It's like, oh wow, it's natural. I'll go back in with the same Crown Beauty brush. I'm gonna go in and just blend it all out and keep it at that spot. Just blend it in constantly and keep your product right there. Oh my god, have you guys seen that one show, Insecure? Oh my god, that show's so good. Oh my god, if you guys are like caught up, what do you think Lawrence is gonna do? That's all I gotta say. What do you think he's gonna do? It's such a great show. So okay, I know it looks two different tones, but just bear with me. I look more peachy right here. It's honestly because I was driving around and I got hot. I just got back from TJ Maxx, like I said. So you're gonna take your beauty blender. I know this one's dirty. I just used it yesterday, so please don't come after me. I know. So you're gonna and you're just gonna blend everything in. Just keep putting everything in, because like I said, we want to do that natural look. So just do that. Okay. So now I'm gonna be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe, my all-time fave, and I'm just gonna bronze it up just a little bit. Just like that. And now I'm going with my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe blending. I love this for contour, honestly. It's such a great one. I'm just gonna blend everything out. And just go right here on the jawline. Okay, after we're done blending it out with the brush, we're gonna go in back to our beauty blender and blend it all out. So you see that I bronzed up my face a little bit, but not too much. I'm gonna go back in with the same brush and go more on this side. There we go. And okay, to make your nose look, my nose, I feel like my nose is pretty big. It's pretty wide, but just go right here to shorten it up, and then just go back in. I'm gonna apply some eyebrow gel just quick. Usually this takes me like between 7 to 10 minutes, and it's really easy. It's taking me longer because I am talking a lot, so that's why. Okay, now we're gonna be taking the Fenty cream in the shade Strawberry Drip. I want to look like I'm alive and there's blood going through my cheeks. So I'm just gonna this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, I love it. I'm gonna go, and you can see that I used it. I'm not sure you can see it. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna go in with that. Tap, tap, tap. Tap some off on your hand and just go in. See, it's just a little flush, and I think that's so pretty. There you go. I like if I have anything on my lips, I usually take it off with just a regular towel. And it kind of exfoliates at the same time. So after I took that off, I'm gonna go with just this Vaseline Baby Lips, Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I'm gonna be going with the shade Keeping It Spicy. This is such a pretty color. And I'm just gonna line my lips. So I applied the lip liner, and honestly this is my quick and easy look. It's cute, I like it. It makes you look hydrating, and I don't know, I just like it. It's so cute. Okay you guys, so this is the look. I really loved it, and I just want to say a couple things. I haven't been uploading honestly just because I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's hard to be happy in the way that the world is right now with the coronavirus, with everything that's actually going on with the spikes of the coronavirus, with the protesting. It's really hard to be happy because there's so many serious things that are going on in our life. And I was in a rut. I cut my hair. My hair used to be like right here or something, and I cut my hair because, I don't know, I was in this little funk, and I don't know. But I'm turning that funk to a spunk. But yeah, if you guys can, please like and subscribe again. And I really hope you enjoyed everything. This is my quick, easy, come on, let's get out the door. Like, you know, you can use for your dick boy. He's just kidding. No. My quick and easy makeup look. I feel like it's really cute. So if you guys can, please like and subscribe, and I really appreciate your help, and I really appreciate the time of you just watching my video. And yeah, bye you guys. Oh, have an amazing, wonderful, beautiful day, and also please just make tomorrow a better day than you are today. And if you're having a crappy day, then just keep it to yourself, please. But have a great day, and yeah, bye you guys.